Quality time with my BFF here in Hsinchu Big City. Once or twice lang magtagpo ang rest day namin sa isang buwan, and to look something forward, we decided na every month magkikita kami para di namin makalimutan ang mukha ng isa't isa. Since 2019 pa kami magkaibigan, and we're actually a group of 5, pero nagpalit na rin ng company yung iba kagaya ko, and yung iba naman, di na nagtugma ang rest day. Napadaan pa kami dito sa NARS Cosmetics and ended up buying this concealer that I've been eyeing for. Hindi naman ako nagsisi dahil super ganda niya. Very worth the price. Then we go to Pandora Jewelry para i-claim ang necklace na pinaayos ko 3 weeks ago, but sad to say hindi nila naayos. Nang hinayang talaga ako because this necklace was a birthday gift from my hubby. Then Pandora Philippines fixed this. After that, kumain naman kami dito sa Cafe Bistro. First time ko kumain dito, so my friend took the lead para umorder. Just order pasta and risotto and fries, but sorry to disappoint you guys, I forgot to film the foods because we're really hungry na. Then we go here in Indoor Sports, 8th floor ng Big City. Gusto sana namin itry ang bowling, kaso puno dahil maraming advance booking. So nag-token na lang kami para mag-base. Diyos ko! Galing ito mo ito! Hindi naman siya mahirap. Daplis! Daplis lang! Kasi tennis talaga yung sports namin.
Universal mo championship to. May talo ka pa. Ano yung tama ko? Nadami na sila. Madami na yung kalaban namin. Talo yan mamaya. Hindi makakapalagsan.
Dito pa namin na-try mag-bowling sa pang-kids using our tokens. We really did enjoy that game. Halata naman, diba? After that, nag-wait lang kami dito sa labas ng Big City Mall para sa free ride na naghahatid sa Hsinchu malapit sa station. And parang bitin pa yung time, so nag-Starbucks muna kami dito ng malapit sa Hsinchu Park. Uy, yung dating 3-in-1, ngayon Starbucks na. Lol, minsan lang naman, and para na rin makapagkwentuhan kami ng maayos because it's been a month nung nagkita kaming magkaibigan. We talk about how we said before na 3 years lang kami dito sa Taiwan. But look at us, 6 years na. Mukhang aabot pa kami ng 12 years dito. Naku, walang uuwi hanggat walang ipon. Ayun lang. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!